No gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
Okay, so this is Short Mama 757 Couponer, and I'm coming to show you clearance at Walmart. And I got this on the opposite side. Let me see, can I turn it around? Oh my Lord Jesus. Excuse me. Okay, so this is Walmart clearance that I found. I wasn't going to post this, but I said, shoot, I should post this because we need to know that couponing is not just about household things. It's about finding deals in general. If you can find stuff more than 50% half price on things that you need, it is always a win-win. Okay, so this right here, and I know you can't see it real well, it's the Dyson vacuum cleaner. I saw it on Instagram. I'm gonna post several pictures of people that had posted with the school number. But they had said, and I'm gonna see, can I go through what do you call it, brickseek, to show you how you can also like look up stuff and have the school number. I'm gonna do that for the Dyson and this computer right here. And I don't know if they had this. I saw this at my Walmart, but someone did post it, but they didn't put a school number. I just happened to go to my Walmart in the electronics section and they had some available. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the items that please don't excuse my light because it got shortened in there or something. But first I'm going to show you the items that I got, and I'm going to also show you see, can I flip this over and show you the school number to each item and how much it's on sale for, or how much it's marked down for, okay? So first it was the Dyson vacuum cleaner. Oh my God, I always wanted one of these, but I don't mean no harm. I just can't find myself to pay $400 for a vacuum cleaner. I can't find myself to pay $300 for a vacuum cleaner, but so I never got one of these. But I always was curious, is it as good as, you know, all the hype or the big price tag? And this was actually marked down to $99, $100 for almost like a $400, $300 vacuum cleaner. So I jumped on it. This was a treat to myself. So I'm going to show you the receipt, and I'm going to post the number. I'm going to show you the receipt and show you the UPC, but I'm going to also post like the picture of the person that put the UPC, and I'm going to also go through the whole going through the brickseek whole website just to show you how you can do that. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so this is the receipt. Okay, and as you can see, it rung up for $99. I paid that, and I was just so ecstatic, okay, for just being able to get one of these. I always wanted one of these vacuum cleaners, okay. And then I'm going to see, can I turn this over? Okay, it is on the heavy side, so you can see the barcode. Okay, now this is the barcode for this, okay? And as you can see, I always complain about my carpet being dirty all the time. So hopefully this is worth, you know, all the hype. And please excuse my light. I have a shortening in my bulb. Okay, so now let me show you this right here. Okay, so this is the other item that I found. And actually, I saw when someone posted, and I will hurry up and check my store. Like, I'm going to show you the whole how you do brickseek, and I think it's brickseek. But I'm going to show you the whole thing, how you do it. But I happened to see, and I'm going to post the picture of the Instagram that I did see who I saw post. And I went through the whole, what is it? Is it an SKU number or whatever? And I put that in there, and my store had limited stock. And I was so surprised that my store actually had one left. And they went in the back and got it for me. And my fiance brought this for me as a early Mother's Day gift. And so I was like so excited. And I'm just so excited. This right here is like a dream, because I said that my kids usually, they have a desktop. I was able to find one that my kids have, and it was marked down $200. This was around Christmas time, and this was a smaller version of that, and this was marked down $89, all in one, $89. It was marked down. Yes, crazy, ain't it? And my kids use their desktop so much that I say it's the family desktop, but they use it so much. I know I'm rambling, but they use it so much that I don't get a chance to use it at all. So I just want to show you that. I'm going to show you the receipt, and I'm going to show you the barcode. So hold on. Is this the... Yep. Okay, so that's that right there. And it rung up $89. I was so excited, and I can't wait to set this bad boy up, because I said I want a computer in my room for to do a whole lot of my stuff with. But anyway, okay, so here is the barcode right here, the UPC number. Okay, and also you can see what the original price of this was. Like, I think it was actually higher. This was the markdown price from what the guy told me. He said this was marked down to $349, but then I told him to scan it, and when he scanned it, and you can see that says 2017 was the markdown. That's how long this had been marked down. You see 2017 up there. When he scanned it, it rung up $89, and he was shocked. Like, he was like, oh my God. But anyway, one more item that I have to show you. Okay, so this is the last item that I got for clearance, and I pretty much got this for my oldest daughter because she did so good on her report card and everything. So I got this as a gift for her, but this was originally around $79, and here is the barcode for that. I did not see a SKU number for this. I just happened to go in the store. I seen somebody post it, and I went in the store, and then happened to went to the electronic section, and they had a whole bunch of them in my store in the electronic section. They had ones like Mickey Mouse ones, a whole lot. They had a whole lot of them, and that is the receipt for that. So now I'm going to show you a clip, kind of like how you can go through I think it's brickseek, and find these items when you see them, like in when you see them online, or see somebody on Instagram that posting them, how you can go and find these items. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can use brickseek to find the items. Okay, now they said that this varies, but this is how I find my items, and usually it's accurate. You don't have to sign in or anything. You go through inventory. There go Walmart is what we're going for. Okay, and then we will put in the SKU number, which is for the, we're doing the tracker first, so the tracker SKU number would be 56. Oh no, I'm sorry, 526 377 362. So this is for the little $20, like $19 tracker that I showed you. Now it's different ones, so it's different SKU numbers for each one. So this is just an example, and then you put in your zip code. So okay, there we go. Okay, so that right there, so this showing that it's in stock and all we're everywhere but the zip code I enter, but still it's just showing that where in a close radius where it's in stock at. Okay, and then we're gonna do that's for the the tracker. Now we're gonna also do for the vacuum cleaner, which the SKU number is 53676024. Okay, and then we're gonna put the SKU number there. Okay, and this shows that the original price of it, and then it shows where it's in stock at. So the zip code I put have 5 available, then the next place is like 8 available, and then 2. So it just shows. And then when they have a limited stock, that means that it might have at least one. When it have a limited stock, usually it means that it might have at least one, you know, or it might don't have any. So this is just shows how you can find that, and it's marked down to $99, so more than 50% off. Okay, so then the last one is the computer that we was able to find. So that one is 513977. Hold on, 7796 is the code for that. And then we hit the button just to see. Okay, and here's for the computer to see where it's available at. And all of these places say limited stock, so that means that most likely it is marked down $85. So it must mean that it probably have only one left. And then the rest is saying out of stock. So that's basically what it's saying, that it might most likely have only one left. When they say limited stock, usually when it says a number like 2 or something, then your chances are higher that you would be able to get it. But this is how we use brickseek, that find, like when you see those items on Instagram, this is how we find those items. So I just wanted to show you that. So anyway, this is Short Mama 757 Coupons. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I hope this was enough information. I hope you can find some of these items, because couponing is all about saving money anyway. Even if you're not using a coupon, to finding these deals and using Instagram to find some of these deals is always a good tool. So anyway, please like, comment, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, and do all those things that people tell you to do at the end of the video. And thank you for all my Team Shorters for sticking with me. Bye.